This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the quick prerequisites. Open Settings and go directly to Personalization, Taskbar. Once done, check Auto Hide and Taskbar behaviors so you know what changed. Next, confirm Windows updates are installed and reboot if updates are pending, because pending installs often alter shell behavior. Finally, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S to view Explorer. EXE, you will use it to restart the shell if needed, and that step fixes many temporary HUD issues. Now you perform the core fix. In Task Manager, find Explorer. EXE, select it, and choose End Task to stop the shell. Then use File, Run New Task, and type Explorer. EXE to relaunch the process. This reload restores the taskbar and notification area. If icons or the clock remain missing, open Services. MSC and ensure related services for shell or user profiles are running. Make sure to wait a few seconds between stopping and starting so cached resources reload properly. Finish with configuration and a targeted repair. Toggle Auto Hide off and back on, or change the taskbar position to see if settings reset the display. If problems persist, create a new local user to determine if your profile is corrupted, because a fresh profile often restores default shell behavior. As a last step, run system repairs, open an elevated prompt, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If nothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.